How to easily create a Shopify subscription box using Recharge. Want to sell subscription boxes on Shopify? Here's how to do it easily with Recharge. First, log into your Shopify admin and then go to the Shopify App Store and search for Recharge subscriptions. Click Install and approve the permissions. Once installed, open Recharge from your dashboard. Start by selecting the product or products you want to turn into a subscription. You can choose to offer options like weekly, monthly, or custom intervals. Next, set the subscription rules. For example, you can offer a discount for subscribers, like 10% off every box. Now customize the subscription widget that appears on your product page. You can tweak the label, frequency dropdown, and display options all without code. Once everything looks good, click Save and activate the plan. Recharge will handle the recurring billing, customer portal, and subscription management. And that's it. Your Shopify store is now ready to sell subscription boxes with Recharge. Thanks for watching.